Simple and effective head relaxation techniques. Step 1. Open the heavenly gate. Slowly lift upward from the yintang point to the shenting point. Step 2. Separate and push the forehead. When you reach the temples, press gently. Step 3. Acupressure technique. Press from the shenting point to the beihui point. Step 4. Use the pads of all 10 fingers. Gently tap the forehead. Finally, relax.
Sharing a set of home shoulder and neck relaxation techniques with you. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Soothe the upper back about 3 to 5 times. Retract from the arm area. Lift and pull the Feng Qi acupoint and then point kneaded. Then lift and pull the Tianzhu acupoint. Then lift and pull the Feng Fu acupoint. And soothe the entire shoulder and neck area. Find a point on our trapezius muscle. Press with your finger pad on the side of the neck. Hold for 3 seconds. Then do a straight push. Use 2 finger pads to do a straight push. Then find the second point. Hold for 3 seconds as well. In the middle part between the shoulder and neck and the arm, there is a depression. We can do point kneading like this. Then use a single hand clenched fist pushing method to push and scrape the shoulder and neck area. You can push down to the arm. Then go and relax our scapular bone seam area. Relax the entire scapular area by pushing with the finger knuckles after clenching your fist. You can use the same techniques for the other shoulder and scapula. Finally, alternately push outwards towards the arm with both hands to drain. Quickly learn it for your family. Back relaxation techniques. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. You can strengthen with finger knuckles. Step 2. Straight push the Dazhui acupoint area. Then alternately pluck and knead. Step 3. Divide and push the scapular bone seams on both sides. Point and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 5. Clench fists and rub the back muscles until warm. Be gentle on the spine, do not apply too much pressure. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back.
Complete lower back massage technique. First, evenly apply massage oil over the entire lower back. Let the body's strength sink down. Step 1. Acupoint pressing. Locate the Baliao area. Press each point in sequence. Shangliao point, Siliao point, Zhongliao point, Xiaoliao point. and Huantiao point. Soothe and relax. Step 2. Straight push along the due meridian. Use both thumbs to push upward simultaneously. Be careful not to apply too much pressure on the spine. Step 3. Push along the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. First, push the left side, then push the right side of the bladder meridian. After pushing, soothe the entire lower back. Step 4. Unblock the entire lower back. Use both thumbs again. First, unblock the left side. Then, unblock the right side. After unblocking, soothe and relax. Step 5. Strengthen with the knuckles. While pushing, make sure to avoid the spine. Apply more pressure in the Baliao area. After pushing, perform soothing movements. Step 6. Unblock the belt meridian. First, use the palms to cross-knead the lower back. Focus on unblocking the area around the hips on each side. Complete one side, then move to the other side. Next, lift both sides of the belt meridian. Each movement can be repeated 6 to 8 times. After finishing, soothe the lower back muscles. Step 7. Warm up the lower back. First, use the palms to warm the due meridian. Then, use the edges of the palms to warm the entire Baliao area. Finally, perform one more round of soothing movements over the entire lower back. Have you mastered this technique?
Today, I'll share a clavicle massage technique. First, take an appropriate amount of massage oil for soothing and relaxation. Step 1. Use the flat surface of both finger knuckles to gently push along the clavicle. Step 2. Use the pulp of 4 fingers to massage in circular motions. Step 3. Simultaneously dredge both the left and right sides of the clavicular lymphatic area. Step 4. Dredge the clavicle in 3 segments. Step 5. Use both hands to pluck and knead to relax the back of the neck. Step 6. Use loose fists to tap. Abdominal massage. Step 1. Clockwise circular push and knead. Step 2. S-shaped press and knead the middle abdomen. Step 3. Straight push the middle abdomen with both thumbs, then retract from both sides. Step 4. Press and knead around the navel in a circle. Step 5. Push both sides of the navel with finger knuckles in a clenched fist. Step 6. Clockwise press and knead around the navel with the palm heels of both hands. Today, I'm sharing a knee relaxation technique. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil on the knee. Spread the oil repeatedly 3 to 5 times. Use both thumbs to knead and rub the knee up and down alternately. Then, use the pads of your fingers to push and knead the sides of the knee. Apply force using the pads of your fingers and the base of your thumb. Push and knead the upper edge of the knee. Then, push and knead both sides of the knee. Use the pads of your fingers to knead and rub along the lower edge of the knee. Press and knead the Xian acupoint. Use the palm to soothe the knee. Perform a Bagua-style circular soothing motion around the knee. Finally, use your palms to rub and warm the area. Soothe the muscles around the knee. Did you learn this technique? Ever have those days where your legs just feel heavy and tired, like they're dragging you down? Well, a simple leg massage from someone at home can make a world of difference. It's a fantastic way to really boost the circulation in your legs, getting that much-needed oxygen and nutrients flowing to your muscles and tissues. This improved blood flow also helps flush out waste products that can build up, easing that achy, tired feeling that can make even simple tasks feel like a chore. Plus, it can soothe your nerves, reducing any numbness, tingling, or other nerve discomfort you might be experiencing, helping you move more freely and comfortably throughout your day. It's a simple way to show you care and help someone feel refreshed and revitalized. Feeling a bit overwhelmed, anxious, or just not sleeping well? Regular foot massage could be a fantastic addition to your routine. It helps your body's internal organs function in a more balanced way, strengthens your immune system so you can better fight off those little bugs, and helps your whole system find its natural equilibrium. Many people also find that it significantly improves their sleep quality, helps to regulate their nervous system, and can really ease feelings of anxiety and stress. Making foot reflexology a regular habit isn't some complicated treatment. It's a simple and accessible way to support your overall health and really enhance your quality of life over the long term.